Joey here, and today we are Get Talking with Greg Goodell, Museum Curator at Gettysburg National Military Park, and we are in the Gettysburg Museum of the American Civil War. And today we're going to take a deeper dive into an artifact that really kind of humanizes the casualty of battle. Greg, can you tell us a little more about this cartridge box?
Oh, sure. Yeah, this is a pattern 1839 Confederate-made cartridge box. And it was actually a cartridge box used by a Confederate soldier from North Carolina named John Wells. John Wells was a member of the 18th North Carolina Infantry and participated here at Gettysburg in Longstreet's assault on July 3rd at the center of the Union line. That's popularly known as Pickett's Charge.
Okay.
And it's actually, there were more than just Pickett's men involved in that assault. Well, John Wells lost his life in that attack on July 3rd. And this is, again, like you said, a tangible reminder of that cost of battle. John Wells' name is inscribed in ink on the inside flap of this cartridge box.
Oh, wow. And I noticed here that he's 31. Was that the typical age of Civil War soldiers?
Not really, no, but that's fairly old for a Civil War soldier. Most soldiers would, when they enlisted, would have been, and in fact, Wells enlisted when he was 31. Most soldiers were younger than that.
Younger than that, okay. Well, this is just one of the many treasures here at the museum. If there's one you'd like to see us take a deeper dive into, let us know at #GetTalking.